how to turn on or turn off alternative characters in keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we now scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then scroll down and tap on Layout. In here, tap on Alternative Characters. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here you may notice when I turn on alternative characters, if I touch and hold on the keyboard, I can use that alternative character. If I switch it off, then that alternative character is not available for me to select anymore. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.